Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. My name is Alexander Simamora from Ganesha University of Education Bali. On this occasion, allow me to present an article entitled Animate Video Approaching Contextual Learning in Natural Science Subject Class 7. Introduction. Technology. The development of the science supports the development of new technologies that show the progress of the times. So far, the technology developed has entered the digital stage. Education is one essential aspect in efforts to improve the quality of intelligent human resources to support the progress of the nation and state in the future. In the COVID-19 pandemic has made Indonesia's education system undergo drastic change, starting from the performance of an online learning system. Readiness of teachers. The indirectly requires the readiness of teachers to educate their participants through online learning. What is the problems? In observation, based on the result of interview with Nikade Yuliani SPD as a science teacher for class 7 SMP Negeri 1 Negara. Interview information was obtained that online learning in science subject for class 7 SMP Negeri 1 Negara still fully use WhatsApp group in the learning process and administration, and the learning media used were still limited to textbooks obtained from schools and learning videos that were sourced from the YouTube platform was still not following the material to be studied by students. In document recording, as a result, it has an impact on student learning outcomes. The data on student learning outcomes state that of the 22 students of class 7A, 17 students were incomplete and 15 students complete with an average value of 58.75. How the solution? Saying this condition to overcome the problems above, there are now many online learning media innovation used in online learning activities on the web, such as animate media-based learning video. Development of animate videos using contextual learning approach can help students in associating learning materials with real life that they experience. Research methods. This research is a type of research and development, or R&D. The development model used in this study is the ADDI model, which has 5 stages, including analyze, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The study data collection methods were observation, interview, document recording, and questionnaire. The research used two data analysis technique, namely qualitative and quantitative descriptive analysis. Results and discussion. The development of this animated video with a contextual learning approach used the ADDI development model, which consists of 5 stages, namely the need analysis stage, the design stage, and the development and implementation stage. Analysis. The first stage is the analysis stage, namely need analysis, analysis of student characteristics, and analysis of facilities. Design. The second stage is the design stage. At this stage, 4 work stages are carried out, determining essential competencies and indicators, selecting learning materials, designing storyboards, product feasibility assessment instrument, and preparing learning implementation plans. In development, at this stage, the product is developed according to design made, namely the video storyboard. This stage produces a product in the form of an animated learning video. This is initial view. This is goal and learning instructions view. This is field view. And this is meaning and evaluation view. Implementation. At this stage, an assessment is carried out to determine the feasibility of learning animation videos and to determine student response regarding the attractiveness and feasibility of the product. Evaluation. At this stage, the implement products will be evaluated and reviewed by expert, both learning content expert, learning media design expert, and learning media expert. Students also provide assessment and evaluation of learning animation video products in individual and small group tests. Expert tests are carried out on learning content expert, learning design expert, learning media expert, learning content expert. After the expert test, the students were tested through individual and small group trials. The results of expert test and trial of 4 students are present in table below. In the content expert, results is 94% qualification very good. Design expert 91.66% qualification very good. Media expert 97.14% qualification very good. Individual test result 91.33% qualification very good. Small group test result 94.66% qualification very good. Based on the study results, it was found that the animated video with a contextual learning approach obtained excellent qualification. Based on the result of expert test and trial with student. Content expert review. Based on the expert review of learning content result, he obtained excellent qualification. The material discussed follow the essential competencies, indicator, and learning objective use. The material discussed is accompanied by illustration and the use of language that is easy to understand to motivate students in the learning process. Design expert review. Based on the learning design expert review, he obtained excellence qualification. This is because in the design of learning animation videos, the use of learning objective in animated video is appropriate on in harmony with the material and evaluation provided. Media expert review. Based on a review on learning media expert, he obtained excellent qualification. This animation video includes exciting picture and sound to attract a student interest in learning. Individual and small group review. The learning animation videos developed obtained excellent qualification in individual trials involving 3 students. The 9 student small group trials show excellent results in the learning animation videos. This is because the animated video with a contextual approach for class 7 students use clear image and can attract student attention. The animated video also use appropriate music and language that is easy for students to understand. This can minimize misunderstanding in the explanation of the material. Conclusion. An animated video with a contextual learning approach for class 7 students was successfully developed using the ADDI model. The validity of this animated video with a contextual learning approach obtained excellent qualification. So, it is said to be feasible based on the result of expert tests and individual and small group trials with students. Thus, this learning animation video product can be used as one of the suitable learning media to accommodate class 7 students, especially in science subject, to be more active in learning, create a more fun learning atmosphere, be more independent, and be able to understand learning material by connecting it to everyday life. That's the presentation of my article. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi 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 Om.